Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to add languages for translation on Microsoft Teams. I wonder why you want to know how to add languages for translation on Microsoft Teams. It is because you talk with someone on Microsoft Teams who doesn't understand English and they write in their native language. So you want that Microsoft Teams to translate their native language into English, or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed Microsoft Teams apps from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Microsoft Team to open the app. Once it get opens, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have different options at the bottom and all over the screen. Here we have the chats, alerts and home, but we have to click on the profile picture icon which is on the top left side of the screen. Just simply tap on it so we could get more information and options. Once you tap on it, you will see there are many options available. So from all these options, we have to click on settings, which is in the middle of all these options. So just simply tap on settings, and there on the top, as you can see, we just got into the settings. Here we have different options. Every option has its own purpose that it performs. So here we have to click on the third option, which is translation, because we are here for the languages and translation. That's why we have to select the third option. Once you open it, on the top it is written translation and we have many options again. So the first option says that whichever language you select, and if you get any message, so that message will automatically get converted into your selected language. For example, if I receive a message in English, Arabic or any language, so that message will automatically get converted into Albanian because I have selected Albanian, and if you have selected any other language, then the language will be converted into it. After that, we have two to three options. If you select the first option, that will automatically translate the language, but if you select the second language, then first it will ask you then convert the language into Albanian, and if you select the third language, then it will not get translated into any language. So here you can choose any one of these options according to your preferences. Whatever you prefer, you just have to simply tap on it and that option will be selected. And at the bottom we have an option through whichever language we select, so the app will never convert these languages into any other languages. So here few languages has been selected, and if you want to select more, you just have to simply click on add a new language, and from all the languages you can select any languages of your choice, and the app will not convert these languages into any other languages if you have selected any other language. So that's how you can convert any kind of languages into your selected languages. Whatever you prefer, you just have to select it and then your work will be done. This was the easiest way I know through which you can translate any languages on Microsoft Teams. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.